Well, now that we have found all the parts to this modern instrument, we want to make some sounds on this instrument. Making sounds is pretty much your embouchure, which is the muscles used in your mouth to buzz and make the airflow vibrate. Breathing is key to making sounds on a brass instrument. When you're breathing, you want to breathe in, not here in your lungs. That would not get enough air to push the instrument. You want to breathe in through your nose and hold your hand on your belly and fill up your diaphragm in your belly. Then your lungs will fill up. Then you empty out, and you want to feel your belly fill up with air, sitting up straight so the air can go in and out into the horn. And I'll demonstrate how to breathe in and hold a note on the trumpet. I could go on for quite some time. Once you have a proper amount of air, you can regulate how many times you breathe, and it will show you how long you could play the horn. Breathing with a brass instrument or any wind instrument is the most important thing to learn, to continue to breathe and not take little short and you'll run out of breath quickly. So breathing in through the nose and filling up, and breathing out through the instrument and all the way out.